Hello, friends. So, today in this lecture, we'll discuss about what is network and network topology. Okay. So, friends, in the previous section, we have learned about different kinds of network. What is network? What types of network are? And where we can use a network. Okay. So, in this lecture, we'll continue with what is network and how network is useful in other sections. And other section means uh, like office, home, or business sections. Okay, so here we'll discuss about what is a network topology. Network topology, the arrangement of the various elements of a computer network that depicts both physically and logically. It means the structure of different computer networks are whether that structure is a physical structure or logical structure. Physical topology, the physical way the network is wired, how computer connected to each other. Here you can see the computer are connected with each others. That is a physical connections. And logically, the way messages are sent, how to send a messages from machine to another machine. Here you can see this is a physical connection or physical topology. And logical topology means when we send a message to someone to another computer, that is a logical sections. Okay, so friends, in this section we'll discuss about different types of various topology and how the topology is useful and how it can be applied everywhere. Okay, so let us see different sections of network topology. Friends, topology is a one type of a network part, but it divides network in different category. There are so many different types of topologies. Here we can see a star topology, point to point topology, bus topology, ring topology, and a mesh topology. Here, first we will discuss about point to point topology. Point to point topology means connection between two machines through a dedicated media link. Connection between two machines through dedicated media link. That is called a point to point topology. It means, see, here one computer is connected with another. That is, here you can see link. This connection is known as a point to point connection, directly connected with another computer. In between, there is no any router, no any switch, no any hub. Okay, so that is called point to point. Here, a source code or source node means where the first point, and second point is on destination node. That is called logical point to point connection. Here you can see wire-based one, frame two, a clouding system means transferring data, and another frame, and destination. So information when we send, it goes one by one frames. Second one is a bus topology. Single cable function as a shared communication media bus, which is known as a backbone. Computer attached with an interface connectors terminators at each end of the cable. Here you can see a bus topology. Bus topology is connected like this. Here a terminator means there is no any another connection. But here there are four computers which are connected with each other, and how it connects this type of different connections like Y-piece connection, T-piece connection, or terminator means there is no any next connection. Here you can see the connections with one computer, TP's connections. Here also TP's connections. So that is called bus topology. What are the advantage of bus topology? First advantage of bus topology is to design easy to simple design. It is very simple design, easy to install, inexpensive due to using coaxial. We can use coaxial cable or BNC connectors. Coaxial cable, here we can see This is a cable, and these are the different connection which is known as a BNC connector, which can connect one computer with another computer through the wired network. And what is disadvantage? It having a less security, allows sniffing. Sniffing means anyone can easily access your computer. Slow during high traffic. It's very much slow during traffic. If one computer is sending data, then another computers cannot able to send data faster, so they have to wait. That is disadvantage. Lead to collisions. If here computer is stopped working, then this computer want to send data to this computer or this computer, then they cannot send it because this computer connection is stopped working. So here connection is dropped, connection is terminated. Of when this computer is working, then after the computer, this computer can send data to this computer and another computer. Okay, so that is the disadvantage of bus topology. Okay, so friends, here these are the different topologies we are understanding and related to their connectors. We have discussed about Y connectors, T connector. Okay, so here you can see a T connector. T connector most probably useful to connect with computer and apply the network activation. Okay, another one is, it's very long. Another one, this video I already prepared, so it is a little bit long. See, bus topology most probably not used in most of the connections because it's less secured. Now we'll discuss about ring topology. Ring topology, you can see here a ring type of connection, O, or we can say zero, or ring type of location where computers are connected with each other. Cable connect one node to another to form a ring. Messages travel through a ring always in a same direction. If message pass from here to here to here to here, the message is not pass in reverse mode. So that is pass on a single way only. There will be no any double way. Okay. Data messages are transmitted in frames that circulate all the machines. Sent frame circulates back to source to acknowledge transmission and set free. It means, see, data messages are transmitted in frames that circulate all the machines. If this computer wants to transfer connection or data or information to this one, then it will not transfer to reverse. It goes on the first computer, then second computer, then third computer. Then only fourth computer can get information. That is the best disadvantage. Next, see advantage, ring topology. First advantage is its design is very simple, a ring type of design, or zero, or we can say O type of design. It's very easy to install. It's not much expensive. It is using same way a coaxial cable or BNC connectors as in the bus topology we have discussed. But the disadvantage of ring topology is the entire network fails if one machine stopped working. If this computer is not working, then whole network is failed. So that is the most disadvantage. Expansion or reconfiguration affect operations. Expansion and reconfiguration affects operations. That is disadvantage. It's expansion and reconfiguration affects operation, means if you want to add more computer, then full network is going down, not working. When you increase the computers and connect all together, that time it will be work properly. Slow for big number of machines. If more in place of 4 computer, if there will be 10 or 15 or 20 computers are there, then this topology is working very much slow. Okay, next one, Star topology. Star topology, it's like same way, star design of star. Here you can see transferring data with the switch and hub. Let's see. Each station is connected directly to a central device. Each station is connected directly to a central device, and that is hub and switch. The connection is like a number of point to point links. The connection is like a number of point to point link. Okay. Then central device is hub or switch. Here central device is hub or switch. Switch is more recent technology or more secure device than hub. Switch is much better than hub because it providing you faster network connections, sending data and receiving data, and as per the security is concerned, that is also a secured technology. Okay, here you can see four computer and one server is there, and these four computers are connected with the switch, and another connection is going directly to the server. Now let's see what is the advantage and disadvantage of star topology. N- First, network not affect if one machine is failed. If this computer is stop working, then it will be not affect to another remaining another computers. It will start working only. Okay. So if you think, then this computer this computer is not working, then it will be stop working, but it will not affect this second computer, third computer, and fourth computer. Network expansion and reconfiguration is very simple. When you are using a switch and hub, expansion increasing more and more computers, it's very easy and simple. Troubleshooting is also very easy. If any problem comes in the network, then we can easily identify the problem. Here you can see data is transferring all the computers one by one from the server. Okay. Then disadvantage. If the central device fails, all the network fails. If this hub and switch is not working, then whole network is going down. Now, mesh topology. Here, mesh topology is a mixing of all ring topology, bus topology, uh, star topology. Okay, connect all devices with multiple path. It offers redundancy. Redundancy means it offers any types of connections you can allow. It allow you to connect any differences. Here one math formula is there. N number of computer is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2, means number of connections or number of cables and number of connected nodes. Okay, so that is called n star topology, combination of ring topology, bus topology, and comes at the end of mesh topology. Here you can see this is a star topology part, this is star topology, this is a server, then here it is a bus topology, and here it is a mesh topology. Everything are connected, but here main computer are there. It works like a internet means, for example, if your mobile is connected, say in the same area in the same neighboring societies, another person is also using same network of cellular network and connecting internet, then some other city someone is also, so that is called a mesh topology. And disadvantage is fault tolerant. It accepts it will consume the fault. If any fault comes, then it will be able to uh, re- repaired itself if it is possible. Software based fault is there or hardware based fault is there, then it is very much secured connection. But the disadvantage of this connection is expensive due to expensive due to network, because it's very much expensive. If and this type of mesh topology is used by so many companies, so many big companies, where there is a 500,000, 10,000, 20,000 employees are working there, they are using mesh topology. Okay, so that's all for today. And in the next lecture, we'll discuss about another part of the computer network. Okay, hope so. You like this and have a great day.